Good morning, student. Today's topic is reinforcement learning. So the first one is I explain what is the reinforcement learning. As the name suggests, this type of learning is used to reinforce or the strengthen or the strong the network over the critic information. This learning process is similar to unsupervised learning. However, we might have very less information. During the training of network under the reinforcement learning, the network receives some feedback from the environment. This makes it somewhat similar to the supervised learning. However, the feedback obtained here is evaluate, not instructive, which means there is a no teacher as in supervised learning. After receiving the feedback, the network perform the adjustment of weight to get better critic information in the future. Characteristics of reinforcement learning. Here are the important characteristics of reinforcement learning. There is no supervisor, only a real number or the reward signal. Sequential decision making. Time plays a crucial role in the reinforcement problem. Feedback is always delayed and not focused. Agent's action determine the signals data it receives. Types of reinforcement learning: positive reinforcement learning and the negative reinforcement learning. In the positive reinforcement learning, it is defined as an event that occurred because of specific behavior. It increases the strength and the frequency of the behavior and impacts positively on the action taken by the agent. This type of reinforcement helps you to maximize performance and sustain changes for the more extended period. Negative. Negative reinforcement is defined as the strengthening of behavior that behave because of a negative condition which should have stopped or avoided. It helps you to define the minimum stand of performance. However, the drawback of this method is that it provides enough to meet up the minimum behavior. Why we use the reinforcement learning? Here are the prime reasons for using the reinforcement learning. It helps you to find which situation needs an action, help you to discover which action yields the highest reward over the long period. Summary: reinforcement learning is the machine learning method, help you to discover which action yield the highest reward over the longer period. Three methods for reinforcement learning are value-based, policy-based, and the model-based. Thank you.